Hello friends, what's up? I wish you will be alright. In this video I'm gonna to create last enemy which will move on screen and they will fire bullet, and I will also make an enemy live. Okay? So first of all I request to you, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please click on the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get my new videos notification. So let's start the video. In first I'm gonna to create last enemy. Add a new object, a sprite, and it will be enemy 5. Add an animation, edit with p-scale, Okay, so now go to events. Friends, if you haven't seen my previous video, then go to description and watch them. I'm gonna to copy this one and paste it. After 30 seconds, enemy 5 will create. Okay. When enemy 5 will create, then all the enemy will delete. Okay. Click on array action and select this enemy group and select this one, stop the object and click on OK. array action, enemy groups, and hide. Click on OK. And now copy this one and paste it. And now double click here and change its X position anyway 5 and X position, and here will be enemy 5 Y position. Okay, click on OK. Now copy this one and paste it and change this one, it will be enemy bullet. And now I'm gonna to make a code for enemy 5. Array condition and select this one, enemy 5, and text of an object variable, and variable will be direction equal to, and here will be left. Click on OK. Array action and select enemy 5, array force, and speed on x-axis here will be -60, and speed on y-axis 0. Click on OK. And now copy this one and paste it and change it, it will be right. And here will be 60. Head condition. When enemy 5 will collision with left arrow, click on OK. Add action, type here modify, select this one, modify the text enemy 5, and variable will be direction, set to left. Click on OK. Now copy this one and paste it and change this one. Copy this one and paste here. Array condition enemy 5, and select this one, number of object equal to 1. Click on OK. Copy this one and paste here. Okay, so now I'm gonna to create a collision for enemy 5. If player bullet will touch to enemy 5, then after 50 seconds enemy 5 will delete. Okay, add condition, bullet and collision. Bullet will collision with enemy 5. Add action, bullet and delete an object. Click on OK. Now add a sub event, add condition, other conditions, timers and time, 10 seconds. Enemy 5 death. Yeah, here we go. After 30 seconds, enemy 5 will create. Okay, so I wish this video is helpful for you. If you have any type of question, then comment below and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in next video.